So friends, today I will discuss about verb. What is a verb? Actually, verb is the heart of a sentence. Without any verb, a sentence cannot be proper or cannot be correct. So verb is necessary to make a sentence. At first, we have to know what is a verb. वर्ब किसको कहता है, कौन सा रिक्वायरमेंट है किसी वर्ड का वर्ब कहने के लिए, या व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ए वर्ब, व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दैट फाइंड्स दैट इंडिकेट्स ए वर्ड टू बी ए वर्ब. ए वर्ब in a word do, be or have. These three categories are verbs. Without do, be or have, there is no verb at all. Do means कुछ करना. Be means कुछ होना. Have means कुछ रहना. तो ये word that indicates do, be or have is called a verb. I go. So go, जाना मतलब do, कुछ करना पड़ेगा. I read, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? Read मतलब do, पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am a boy. What is the verb in the sentence? होना. I am, my who, a boy. He is a student. He is a student. होना. They are. वो है. होना ये verb. और have. I have a pen. कुछ रहना. I have a pen. रहना है. She has. She has. Why she has? Because she is third person singular. So has. She has a book. कुछ रहना. They had. रहना. होना. रहना है. They had a book. था. रहना past tense था. रहना. I have. They had. So do, be and have. These three words indicates a word to be a verb. What is a verb? Do, be or have. Which word indicates do or be or have is a verb. The categories of verb मतलब verb किस प्रकार के, कितने प्रकार के. Verb are two types mainly. Primarily verb are two types. One main verb and the next is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs are of two kinds. I shall go next time what are the categories of auxiliary verb. Now, main verb and auxiliary verb, these are the two categories of a verb. These are the two categories of a verb, main verb और auxiliary. पहले auxiliary को देख लेते हैं. Am, is, are, was, were. was, were. These are be verb. Have, has, had. These are have verb. And shall, will, may, might, can, could, those are modal auxiliary. So auxiliary am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, be, and do. Our main verb, do. Play, go, eat, write, read, run, run. So, this do and do. What is the difference between auxiliary do and main do? मेन verb do मतलब कुछ करना. डू इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता है. इसका मतलब ओनली डू. इट इज ऑक्सिलियरी. इट हैज नो हिंदी मीनिंग. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? द डिफरेंस इज डू मीन्ट करना. डू मीन्ट ओनली इंटरोगेटिव करने के लिए ये डू आता है. मतलब कि. मतलब इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं आता है. जब इंटरोगेटिव किया जाता है तो ये ऑक्सिलियरी सब्जेक्ट के पहले आ जाते हैं इंटरोगेटिव करने के लिए. बट दीज प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलियरी आर these primary auxiliaries can be main verb when only one auxiliary present in a sentence. In a sentence. That is, I am a boy. एम ये ऑक्सिलियरी है. लेकिन जब कोई सेंटेंस में ओनली वन वर्ब होता है, दैट मे बी ऑक्सिलियरी, दैट मे बी मेन. ओनली वन वर्ब होता है, वो मेन वर्ब की रूप में ट्रीट किया जाता है. आई एम ए बॉय, इट इज नॉट ऑक्सिलियरी, इट इज मेन वर्ब. He is a student, it is not auxiliary, it is main verb. But I am going. This going, do verb, is the main verb and am is auxiliary verb. So, only one verb is called main verb. The verb which helps a sentence to make its form is auxiliary. Today, I just differentiate main verb and auxiliary verb. In the next time, I will discuss about interrogative sentence and what is auxiliary to form a sentence, to form different kind of sentence. Okay, thank you.